Hi, in this video we will find out what is your partner's current energy for you. What is your partner's current energy for you? If you're in a relationship, then your partner. If you're married, then your husband. What is their relationship current energy for you? Okay, the cards just flew out. So wow, these are such beautiful cards. Right. So I see that there has been a major transformation in your partner. Okay, your partner. I'm talking to you like your partner is a male, and I'm speaking to a woman. It can be a woman or a man, but I'll be saying him for your partner because I got the Knight of Pentacles card. So I see your partner is going through. So the cards that you've got is first is the Temperance, the Knight of Pentacles, and the Four of Pentacles. These are the cards that you've got, and bottom of the deck is the Hangman and the Seven of Pentacles. So I see first of all your partner has been having a lot of patience. They are seeing things, trying to see things in a different light, in a way that he had not seen earlier. He's trying to balance his mind, balance the thought process, and understand things better. So for that, he is actually having a lot of patience. He wants to give this relationship more time and more understanding. Now, this happens only when your partner loves you. Okay, so this message is not for the people who are interested in a person who has not given any kind of commitment yet. It's for those people who might have even gone for a no contact, but if your partner has been involved with you in a relationship, it's only going to resonate then. So they have been giving thought towards things in the past. They have been thinking about the future and also about the past, and also trying to balance the both, learning from the past mistakes and also thinking how things can be made better in the future. So a man gives thought about a person like with so much patience only when they love them. So definitely I see a lot of solid commitment coming towards you with the Knight of Pentacles. Your partner wants to invest into this relationship and give something solid. They are not wasting time of theirs or yours. So they are very serious about this relationship. If you are not in contact also, then these are the thoughts that's happening inside them. Okay, so these thoughts are going on inside them because with the Hangman I see they are trying to see things from different perspective. So maybe some situations had happened earlier, some kind of misunderstandings or some kind of arguments, or however things have been unfolding till now. They're trying to see things from a different light. Okay, and which is very important because when only you try to see a situation in different perspectives, then only you're open towards understanding a person or a situation better. If you have a hell-bent rigid way of looking at something, then you're not going to be understanding any other version but the version that you have already assumed is true, right? So they are going to give you a real commitment, and things will definitely improve a lot in the coming times. That is something I'm seeing. And also Four of Pentacles. So currently maybe you will not see sudden exposure or sudden movement from them, like they are doing something extreme. So that is not going to happen. Extreme things I'm not seeing because with the Temperance you can see it is a very balanced card, right? And the Knight of Pentacles is also a slow moving card. So there is a slow movement that's happening towards you in your relationship. It is not going to be some extreme gestures of love. Okay, so do not expect that because they are trying to understand and keep themselves in control, and they feel that they have invested a lot of time in this relationship, and there has been a lot of patience in the past. So now they are willing to take things forward. Okay, I feel there has been a lot of tribulation situations that has happened in the past. Let me see from the angel guidance cards that what else is coming for you in your love life. So this is going to be a love life specific message for you. Wow, my goodness. Oh my god. See, I told you patience with the Temperance card, and my angel cards are also confirming it with the patience. So being asked to be patient, you are being asked to not want results immediately, like आज ही ऐसे होना चाहिए, ऐसे अभी क्यों नहीं हो रहा है, अभी कुछ आपके दिमाग में कुछ ग्रैंड वर्जन होगा चीज़ों को लेके या उन अपने पार्टनर के साथ, तो उन सारी चीज़ों को आपको मैं बताऊंगी कि व्हाट यू कैन डू इज़ लाइक राइट देम डाउन, प्लान इट आउट एंड कीप इट इन अ पार्ट ऑफ योर मैनिफेस्टेशन, सो दैट वो चीज़ें धीरे धीरे आपके लिए अनफोल्ड होगी, इमीडिएटली होते हुए नहीं होगा, लेकिन आपके रिलेशनशिप में डेफिनेटली वेरी पॉजिटिव मूवमेंट्स आ रहा है। बट ये पॉजिटिव मूवमेंट जो आ रही है वो स्लोली स्लोली आ रही है, ऐसा नहीं होगा कि इमीडिएटली आपको बहुत सारी चेंजेस देखने को मिलेगा। तो आपको इसलिए बताया जा रहा है कि यू हैव टू बी पेशेंट। अगर आप अग्रेसिव होंगे, अगर आप ज़्यादा पुश करोगे, तो चीज़ें जो है वो अच्छा होने की जगह बिगड़ जाएगी, बिकॉज you have to understand your partner, their energy, and in their energy it's very important that you kind of like stay in sync with that energy, so don't like push it. So that is one thing, and definitely your partner is thinking of taking some risks with you because they see potential. So बहुत सारे लोगों के दिमाग में डर रहता है कि पता नहीं ये चीज़ कैसे वर्कआउट करेगा, whether it will work out or not. तो बहुत सारे टाइम दिमाग में ऐसे confusions भी आ जाता है, like I don't know how the future would be. So from maybe not in your mind, but maybe in your partner's mind, these thoughts are also there, and they don't like taking risks. But now, when you want to give commitment to someone, when you want to give in your all to someone, that is like a way of taking risk only, because you don't know what's going to happen, but you're going to be placing your trust, your emotions, your energy into someone. So it should also not go waste, right? So please do make sure that from your side also you appreciate, reciprocate it in a positive way, and be very nice, be very positive and patient. See, new beginnings. So definitely new beginnings are coming in your love life, and these new beginnings are going to be so beautiful. It's much more than you can imagine. So you will be, I'm hearing, going for trips, you will be having new times, new things are going to be coming into your life. So be willing and ready to accept it. So while I'm talking to you, I see there has been a sunset, and the energy, like the light from outside, has stopped and it's moving towards darker time. So darkness is the time when you have nights, and nights the time when you have like nice lights and cozy night routines. You can have beautiful moments at home, you can have dinner and watching movies. All of those things can be prioritized, and make sure that you keep your mind balanced, and that same reciprocation should happen from your side also. So I hope you've got enough clarity in this message, and would you like to know more or book a personal reading, let me know, because if you book a personal reading, then I